Hey guys, welcome back to Campfire Motors. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Steve. I want to bring you a special extra video this week. Normally we drop our videos on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. but we were walking around at the RV show in Tampa and we came across a DRV Mobile Suites that had a surprise bunk room in the front of it, so we wanted to make a video because we actually really liked this RV. If we were in the market, maybe we would buy one, but it's also just a little bit out of our price range.
Yeah, so when you walk in, normally when you come in the door and you turn to the right in a fifth wheel, you automatically assume that is the master bedroom, but in this one it was a surprise bunk room, which we didn't know going into. So
yeah, it was rather spacious too, so here's the video. Check it out. Just walked into this camper. It's a Mobile Suites fifth wheel. Actually has a front bunk room. That's why I want to start filming this. It'd be great for families. I mean, a lot of fifth wheels I noticed don't have bunk rooms. It's got a bunk on each side. Got this desk area in the middle. Looks like both sides, yeah, both sides are a slide out. So it's nice and wide up here, as well as good storage. I know our kids would love to have a TV like that in their bunk room. Decent sized bathroom. Nice kitchen area. Couch.
That's not a front kitchen.
Nope, definitely not a front kitchen. There's like that. Another nice sized TV, plenty of cabinetry, electric fireplace underneath. Solid surface countertops.
plenty of freezer room.
What's that?
I said plenty of freezer room. Nice sized kitchen. Look, here's your coffee bar.
It's nice. It comes with the Ride independent suspension.
Here's your coffee bar.
Yeah, little spot for the coffee maker.
Oh, this is nice.
It's got the rear bedroom. It's real nice. This is the Orlando floor plan. Little safe built in. That's nice. How's this rear bathroom? So this is a 2-bath unit. This one's even bigger than the one in the back. This is nice. Tons of storage space up above. Mobile Suites makes a nice camper. All the cabinetry is real nice. Dovetail joinery on your slides. Pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
The Orlando.
Is it? How much does this one run? Oh, I see the price there. Yeah, $189.9 for the show price. MSRP $297.
They dropped it 10,000 this morning.
Well, the guy.
$199 yesterday.
This is the Orlando.
Yep.
Yeah.
This has got a front bunkhouse in it.
Oh yeah, we saw it. That's what caught our eye. We didn't think that's
How
what
many
we thought
kids
that
you had?
we have 2.
Okay. The reason I ask is
Storage underneath.
And that's like one of the better bunk rooms that we've seen.
Oh yes, and that big
Looks like it has
TV.
4 awnings.
Oh yeah, our son would be all over the Xbox.
Side has an awning.
And then right here is the
Whole side to
bed.
be covered.
Yeah.
Right overhead is cabinet.
Yeah.
If you want, I had a couple the other day, had 4 kids. They can take those cabinets out and put an extra
another
bunk up there
yeah.
for them if they want.
I like the desk in the middle.
Oh yeah, but the
pretty
2
cool.
bunks would be
And it
great
ain't
for us, yeah.
cheap.
No, it's not.
No, it ain't cheap. It's still the Korean and
Well, it's nice having that solid surface instead of like the laminated countertops and stuff.
And it's got a little push button thing that pops up for plugging in. What makes these so unique and special is the construction of them.
Yeah.
These the frame are not I-beam. They're 15-inch double stack box frame that DRV designs. Lippert builds them, but it's the only manufacturer that makes a box frame.
Okay.
And everything is insulated. The flooring is, most of them will have the plywood flooring, and it's open, right?
Right.
Ours is not. Ours has a composite material, insulation, then the flooring, and then a vapor barrier, and then this flooring in here. And this flooring is hand laid, each piece.
Okay.
They're individual, like your old
like
tongue and
LVP?
groove,
Okay.
tongue and groove.
Like LVP
wood.
flooring?
Yes. Yep. So you can take them out. Notice the walls. They're 3 1/4 inches thick.
Yep.
And
Good insulation?
Yes. R16, R29, R29. Those are real numbers. They're not stretched out and fabricated as some of the, you know, like these little things. They'll say, oh yeah, that's R15 or something in the walls and that. It's 2 inches thick.
2 inch thick
And this
foam,
is
yeah.
3. If
Right.
we're telling you 16, how's that 15? Not, they don't stretch it. It's
Right.
real numbers.
And it's nice. It comes with the more ride independent suspension.
They all come with that, independent suspension, Kodiak brakes, disc brakes.
Yeah, because we upgraded our travel trailer to the independent suspension and disc brakes.
What a difference,
Oh,
huh?
big difference, yeah.
More ride pin.
And I noticed, looks like there's awnings pretty much the whole side.
Yep.
It's got 4 awnings.
Slide toppers.
And slide toppers, yep.
And then, now that, I think that is just the TPO or whatever, the plastic roof, but you can get fiberglass.
Okay.
Okay.
They're solar prep. They don't put them on there. Everything is real wood, soft close, hidden hinges. But they're extremely heavy. But
What's
they're durable. They'll last.
What's the weight on this one?
This one is like 22,000.
Yeah, 24, yeah, gross, yep.
24
Yep.
gross, yeah. Just over 20,000 dry.
Yeah, so they're extremely heavy. You need the 1 ton, the 350, 450 say.
Yep, yeah, the dually.
I had a guy come in yesterday. He had he's got an actual tractor, a Freightliner tractor that he pulls
Pulls
his
it with?
He bought it. Went and bought the truck used, took the truck to Denver, and this guy's from Canada, must have money. He took that tractor, right? They're X amount of length.
Yeah,
He
shortened
had
it.
lengthened
Oh, lengthened.
12 feet. Took the guy 6 months, and then he made it long enough that he can take his car. He's got a little bitty car, drives it up behind it, so it's
Oh, I think
behind the cab.
We've seen some of those before, yeah, it's crazy.
Wow, I'd be scared to death, trying to go up that steep an incline. You're looking straight up in the sky. You think you're on a roller coaster. I'd be afraid to go off the other side.
Don't hit the gas
Then
too
you'd
hard.
be in a problem. There's a couple here that is, they run the DRV Travel Association.
Okay.
They have that one right there, that Houston. They
Big storage compartments up in the front.
2018, they put over 100,000 miles on it. And
Wow.
they've driven on their new truck was 160, and they're buying another one, and they don't have any cracks, crates, nothing. Door handles haven't fallen off, or
Right.
nothing. It's still.
That
If I
looks-
didn't tell you it had that many miles, you wouldn't know it had that many.
Right.
Well built.
Yeah, very well built.